Introverts come out to play. Back at it again at the nice high quality Faust Bridge, New Braunfels, Texas. And today, guess what we got? We got a comparison. I don't know why we do it, but we do it, people. We got the DJI Osmo Nano and the Action 5 Pro. And we're not gonna do no deep dive in the specs or anything like that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take us a nice high quality walk on this nice high quality bridge and do us some comparison, people. We're gonna check it inside out and see which one is the one for you. So look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. So right now there is no ND filters on either one of these cameras. So I wanted to make it even Steven. So it's a cloudy day because we've had some rain in the great state of Texas, the Braunfels, Texas peoples. So this ought to be a nice high quality day to compare both these cameras. So let's check it out. We got us some folks about to get in the water. We got some folks on the bridge. And just the other day, literally, all this was shut down because of the high water. It is amazing what a day of draining will do. But check it inside out. Both of these amazing cameras with this amazing view. And so the big question becomes, which one looks better? To me, the good thing about it is if you're in the DJI ecosystem. What's going on?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you today.
All right.
Again, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
All right. If you're in the DJI ecosystem and you have the drones and the microphones, these are some good little cameras to jump into. Both these cameras right now are in D-Log M10-bit, and they're going to be color graded the same exact way. But look at it, people. Look at it. Look at this beautiful, beautiful view, people. Let me just give a quick message out to you, to the YouTube universe. We're being way too serious when it comes to this YouTube content or any kind of content. See, here's the thing, people. 80% of people hate their jobs. And so you get to get on YouTube and pick a thing that you like to do. You know what I'm saying? A thing that means something to you. And then you get on here and then you forget why you're doing it. You get so caught up in the statistics and the stats and the specs and the comparisons that you forget why you're doing the thing. You're making it a job just like the job that 80% of the people hate. Why would you do such a thing, people? Why? Why on earth would you do such a thing? Why would you change this and make this and suck the soul out of it? People, look at this. Look at this. Nice high quality view. You see what I'm saying? Now, why would you be worried about if the exposure and if the highlights are this and then the shadows are dropping? Who gives a shit about all of it? Man, get out here and get you some nice high quality footage like this here. Bam. And enjoy yourself. Do not make this content creation thing like the 80% of other people's jobs and end up hating it because you're trying to be like this person or that person or trying to compare it to this and to that. You're trying to make a Hollywood movie. This ain't Hollywood, folk. This is YouTube. Treat it like YouTube. Have fun with it. Pick a topic you like, a niche you like, and run with it. This is the whole point. But anyway, let me get back to the matter at hand. is these nice high quality cameras. Look at this. Look at this view. And because that I didn't charge up my DJI Mic Mini, what you're hearing is coming straight out of these mics of these cameras, which is dope as hell. Which is dope as hell, because both of these cameras have great mic. Like I said, just the other day, this water looked like it was mud water. And they shut it down. Now look. Back in it. That's how it is, folks. If you've watched enough of my videos, you know that you've seen this bridge, this nice high quality Faust bridge before, in many of my drone videos. So we got the wind blowing. I wonder how that's gonna sound. You can't. Look at this view. Look at this view. You can't beat that with a bat, people. You can't beat that with a bat. What's up? Excuse me. Got us another point of view over here. What we think about the stability while I'm walking and checking out this amazing bridge in Braunfels, Texas, people. Beautiful stability. As we check out this beautiful area in the great state of Texas, Braunfels, Texas. What separates the two cameras is that the DJI Osmo Nano can separate from its vision dock. And it has magnets on the back of the camera, so it will help you to be able to place the camera in different locations. And you have the vision dock in your hand, you'll be able to see your shots. But the caveat to that is that the camera is waterproof, but the vision dock is not. And so I know what you're thinking. The $1 million question that everybody wants to know. Which camera should I get? And who is these cameras for? Well, I'm gonna tell you like this. These cameras are for people who just want to be able to pull something out their pocket and take some footage. Which one is that? Well, it all depends. For me, if I had to choose, I'm gonna go with the Nano, simply because it's smaller and it's easier to pull out. But you gotta realize this, people. With the bigger cameras, it's way too inconvenient to pull them things out and get to filming and everybody looking at you crazy. So either one of these cameras will work for whatever you want. Will work for you just pulling it out and being able to create some content, or be able to just get you some video that you can look at later. And that's the whole point. The whole point of this damn thing is to be able to have fun with less stress. And with the cameras like these, both of these cameras, the Action 5 and the DJI Nano, you can't lose. Now, if you're doing some real action, you should probably go with the Action 5 Pro. But if you just want to pull your camera out, take you some nice high quality videos, I would go to DJI Osmo Nano because it's real convenient, and it's got that nice high quality magnet, and you can just take that bad boy just about anywhere. So there we go, people. Simple, easy. We don't have to do a whole bunch of specky. We don't have to do all that techie talk, man. Just which one is most convenient for you and which one you like. So, hope y'all enjoyed the nice high quality view. And I hope I gave y'all some perspective. Remember, just have fun. It ain't that damn serious. Anyway, it's your Uncle Rico, aka the introverted creator. To the next episode, people. Peace.